In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve the colors of a photo using Darktable RGB curves. For those who are unfamiliar, Darktable is a powerful open-source photography application that provides photographers with a host of editing tools to refine their images in a non-destructive way. One of the standout features is the RGB Curves module, which allows precise control over the individual color channels in your image. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens, providing you with a professional-grade workspace to start tweaking your image. Once your photo is loaded, make your way to the right panel of the interface where you'll find an array of modules. Look for and activate the RGB Curves module. This feature gives you the ability to manipulate the red, green, and blue channels of your image separately, offering an exceptional level of control over the final color presentation. Start by adjusting each color channel individually: red, green, and blue. This step is crucial for fine-tuning the color balance of your photo. By selectively boosting or reducing the intensity of these colors, you can correct any unwanted color casts or enhance particular tones that may be lacking. This individualized approach allows each color to be adjusted until the desired harmony or pop is achieved. Beyond individual channels, you'll find an overall curve that you can adjust to enhance contrast and brightness as needed. This curve impacts the image as a whole, affecting all color channels simultaneously. Gently lift or lower this curve to bring out the contrast, highlighting the depth and importance of details in the photo. It's all about bringing your own creative touch to the image and ensuring that it aligns with the mood you aim to convey. At times, specific parts of each color channel may need raising or lowering to correct color casts or to enhance certain tones further. By dragging points along the curve, you can adjust the influence of each channel at different tonal levels, giving you an opportunity to achieve dynamic and vibrant results. For those seeking an extra level of precision, you might opt to combine the RGB Curves module with the Color Balance RGB module. This additional step allows more nuanced color grading and can greatly enhance the overall color integrity of your image. Together, these tools deliver a formidable combination for anyone looking to make their photos truly stand out. And there you have it, an overview of how to improve the colors of a photo using the Darktable RGB curves. By carefully controlling the color channels, applying contrast and brightness enhancements, and optionally engaging in refined color grading, you can transform your images into stunning masterpieces. Thanks for watching, and have fun exploring the rich palette of possibilities that Darktable offers.